So now, let's move on to talking about critical thinking. First, it is worth briefly pointing out that AI can help students develop critical thinking skills. So one thing it can do is act as conversation partner that provides new perspectives on a phenomenon. Therefore, through AI, students can gain access to new perspectives to critically examine and learn from. Another thing I imagine AI can do well is help students analyze the work that they've done. By feeding one's work into an AI service and asking it to critically review it, students are offered an important tool to assess and develop their own writing. ChatGPT does this okay, but not very well. But I'm sure this will be possible in the future. I would also like to briefly mention my wife's experience with AI technology. She works as a maths teacher in secondary education at a school with high-achieving students who aim at study science at the university. So these are high-achieving students, but they also use an AI program called Photo Math. The way it works is that they take a picture of a math problem, and then the program gives the answer and all the steps you need to take to get to that answer. My wife, however, does not find this to be a problem, in that these students really want to understand how to calculate the problem. They use this app primarily as a learning tool where they look up the answer when they don't know how to proceed. Because it presents the answer in an educational way, they also learn how to do it, almost as if my wife walked up to their table and showed them how to do it. Accordingly, as I see it, this app can contribute to critical reflection where the students can see what they did wrong and what they should do in the future. I'm not going to address this furthermore, other than to say that we need to be active in this process. AI can help students to become better critical thinkers. I'm sure of it. But we also need to demand these kinds of functionalities from the companies that are currently developing AI technologies. But more importantly, students will not teach themselves to be critical thinkers. We need to assist them using the latest technologies to help us and the students to become better critical thinkers. In the next recording, I will be addressing the risks with AI and critical thinking.